Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to fix Elementor Drag and Drop not working. So if I go here and scroll down, so I can use Navigator. For example, I want to change the position for this column and I want to try to drag it. So here you can see drag and drop is not working. Even I want to move these sections from top to bottom and bottom to top, but drag and drop functionality is not working. So what you need to do, just you can go and change your browser. Here you can see this one. I'm using Microsoft Edge browser. So this one you can download it, and on some laptops it is already installed. Okay, so now I can go here, and again here you can see if I go here and use drag and drop functionality, so it's working fine. So first option is you can update your browser. Second option is that is best and recommended, just you can change your browser and it will start working. So thank you.